Do your Instagram posts drive sales for your Shopify store? With Vibe, you can turn your Instagram photos and reels into sales generators. Connect Vibe with your Instagram account and create feed from your own posts. Easily tag products anywhere you want in your post. Add the feed on your Shopify store to make it go live. Show pop-up to allow your customers to shop right in your feed. Or link to your Instagram page, turn visitors into followers. You can add your Instagram feeds on any pages. Feeds are auto-optimized for responsive layout. Get started with free plan, no coding required, and enjoy live chat support.